And that's all of our sounds. So that's how you layer sound, specifically MIDI, into Logic. So starting off with the piano, building it up with the percussion, string section, French horns, and I'm going to play at you in a minute all together. I'm just going to do something very quickly now. I'll explain what I'm doing in the next couple of videos, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to quickly whiz through this. I'm just essentially getting this ready for the loop that I'm going to put in. As you can see, I haven't hit some of those notes exactly on the beat. But for the loop, it needs to be right on the beat. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to loop a section in Logic. So the way that you do that is you go up to the top here, you get this little yellow gold bar, and you drag it into the section that you want to loop. Whoops, just need to go back on the piano and just do what I did to the other tracks. Then when you press play, it will start from the start of that loop. And then when it gets to the end, it will just loop back on itself. So now I'm just going to go through everything and gradually build in all the other instruments so you can see how they all fit together. And that's our opening track. So we built everything else around that. And I can't stress enough the importance of recording to a metronome, especially with this track with these long piano hits. Even though it probably sounded quite annoying if you've watched the video all the way through, I hope it went to show how key it was to getting this right.